Yeah, hello, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my TikTok channel as well. Yeah, so welcome to anywhere that you are watching me from. The crypto lord, you can call me King of Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today, I'm about to do crypto arbitrage using Bitcoin. Yeah, so before I start, on the 25th of this month, we are doing our crypto arbitrage beginners class. So if you know you are a beginner and you want to know much about crypto arbitrage, yeah, I have the ticket link in the description. If you're watching me from YouTube, you can also find it in the comment section as well. And if you're watching me from TikTok, it's on my bio. Just click on it and you buy your ticket, or you can call the number on the flyer, then or chat the number on the flyer. It's me directly. Then if you want to purchase it with your crypto, I'll send you the address for you to do it as well. Yeah. So today I'll be using Bitcoin. So right now I'm using OKX, right? Yeah, so on OKX, Bitcoin right now is 108. Yeah. So if you are a day trader, it's not advisable though. You can do your research. But if you're a day trader and you're watching me right now, yeah, I think you have to go shorts. But be scalping a lot, yeah. That's my suggestion. Yeah, but I'm not here to do future trading. I'm here to do crypto arbitrage. So I'm just finding the opportunity from one exchange and make more money on another exchange. So you buy it at a lower rate on one exchange, and you sell it at a higher rate on the other exchange. That's simple as that. But there are 4 things or 5 things that you have to consider before you initiate every trade. And that one, you need mentorship, or you have to join the class to know all these things. Yeah. So if I come here, I'll come trade. So let me show you one thing that we do. We normally trade on market order or limit order, and that's not how it's supposed to do. So that one too, I will teach it in the class. Yeah. So if I come here, because I wanted to see the figures, that's why I have put it on the limit order. That doesn't mean that we have to trade on limit order. No. So right now you can see that on OKS, the current rate is 108 300. The reason why I said that you don't have to trade on limit order is that, let me show you one evidence. You can see that the limit order right now is 108 277, and the red market entry is 108 300. So imagine if you buy it at this rate, you're losing your money, because this and this are not the same. And if this one is higher than this one, it will not buy until it's reached that place. But if this one is lower than this one, it will buy, because the market also need money. You have to put that one in your brains. Yeah. So I just do this just for you all to see the value. That's why I always put in the limit order in my videos. That doesn't mean that you have to trade on limit order. No. Yeah. So if I have $100 to trade, before you do every trade, you have to do your calculation first. Don't just jump straight to the trade. Do your calculations, apply the 4 factors and stuff before. So if I'm using $100, if I'm using, let me reset it. If I'm using $100, I'll be getting this amount of BTC, right? Yeah. So I'll go to the black app or the exchange app, then I will exchange it. So if I exchange this 0.001, I'll be getting I'll be getting I will be getting 110. That means I've earned $10. And some people saying that transferring BTC from one exchange to another exchange cost, but that's the reason why I chose OKX. OKX, if I'm using OKX to trade BTC, their fee are very, very, very low. Their fee are always low. You see, so if I'm drawing BTC, you can see that exchange. You can see that their fee is 1.08 if I'm using BTC. If I'm using laptops, it's 0.01, but mostly we use BTC. That's $1. But if you go to other exchanges, they are charging $4, $5, and $6. That's why when it comes to the BTC arbitrage, I normally use OKX because their fee is very low. Yeah. So one thing about crypto arbitrage is that the higher the capital, the higher the profit. Because someone who is using $100 will be getting profit of for $10, and you deduct your fee from a, let's say your remaining will be $8, right? $8. So if you trade 10 times, it's $80. $80, right? Yeah. But someone who is trading with let's say thousand with $1,000 accounts, $1,000 accounts, $1,000 accounts will be earning $99.7. So it means that the person will be, let's say, will be earning $95 per trade on $1,000 accounts. Imagine the person doing trade 10 times a week or 10 times a month, 95 times 10, $950. So if you're in Ghana right now, it's 10,925. Abanjuma crown to be. You see how it is? Yeah. But there are a lot of things that you have to learn. People always think about the money, forgetting the knowledge. You see that thing? So if you have the right knowledge, you know how to operate things, you know where to channel your things to. Don't always think that, okay, I want to make money, we all want to make money, but you have to use your brains. Yeah. Know where you channel your energy with that thing. Yeah. So we have a lot of strategies when it comes to arbitrage. We have dollar arbitrage strategy, we have exchange to exchange strategy, we have same exchange strategy, we have card to bank strategy, we have black market to exchange strategy. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. And you have to know that every business comes with a risk, and all this strategy, the one with higher risk is the black market to exchange strategy. That's what I'm doing right now. It comes with a lot of risk. So that one, if you're a risk taker, you're good to go. That is why I'm saying that people will rush to get the exchange, but they don't have any knowledge, and they will not be able to do it. So if you're a beginner, that's why I'm hosting a class for beginners class. If you're a beginner, you don't know nothing about arbitrage, let me groom you from scratch. Let me teach you from scratch. Don't be in a haste to make money without any knowledge, or you end up losing all the money. Education is the key. Education is power. Yeah. So this is my small advice to beginners, and this is how you do exchange to black markets arbitrage. And in all my videos, I always say that before you do everything, make sure you also do your research. Yeah, first. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, as you always know. And let me also tell you one thing about crypto arbitrage. When you buy it, don't be in rush to sell it. When you buy it, don't be in a rush to sell it. At times you can buy it and the chart will go up or down. Just monitor. The goal is to make profit. Just check and wait for it to get to where your target is, so that you'll be making a lot of profit. I'm not feeling well and I can't talk much. Yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.